Hi, I'm Marcus Theodore, and I've been capturing weddings now for 25 years, so I've learnt a thing or two. I want to discuss today about bridal party, bridesmaids, groomsmen. Pick the right bridal party. Please don't pick, well, you will, it does happen. Don't pick 20 on either side. If you are going to have a very large bridal party in terms of management, we would say get the preliminary photos of them earlier on. So, after ceremony, get the shots of the football team, and then dump and burn them. And then let's get some stuff of the two of you canoodling somewhere nice away from any distractions. The more people involved in the day, the more distractions we can have. And then, if we are moving from one location to another, we're waiting for, small little buses to drop off the bridal party. You want to make sure that that doesn't happen, because you will have a limited time between your ceremony and your venue if that's the way you're structuring it. So you have this little window here for some really pretty creative, amazing, emotional stuff. Make sure that we can focus on you as a couple in order to get that. Friends come and go, family unfortunately doesn't. No, you know what I mean. So big bridal party, do all the preliminary stuff very early on, leave them alone. Smaller bridal party, we can get away with it. Make sure, brides in particular, pick bridesmaids that are gonna help you and really help you pick up your dress and move, and because you're not used to wearing this, and you wanna make sure you've got some assistants and they're not sort of off in the corner drinking, smoking, looking after themselves. They're there to look after you, to make the day a lot easier for you. And plus, you're crazy about them, and it's nice having them around you. But make sure that with the ones that you are selected, make sure that they're going to help you on the day, and steer away if you can from massive bridal parties, because then you don't need a videographer or a photographer. You need a coach. Yeah, you know what that is? Exhausting. Particularly if they can't speak English. I had 20 mad Israelis dancing in the streets, and I don't speak Israeli. I can try, but it sounds like I'm swearing. They're gonna end up stabbing me anyway. No big bridal parties. If you have big bridal parties, get it done early. Make sure they speak English, and then make sure we allocate enough time after that in order to get some canoodling, cuddling, fun shots of the two of you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Till next time.